One of the biggest things that we pay a price for is the tongue. The Prophet ﷺ in a hadith in Sunan al-Tirmidhi makes mention of the pillars of Islam. He was asked by the companions radiyallahu anhum, what is it that I need to do in order to ensure my entry into paradise and my protection from hellfire? So the first thing he said is, you should worship Allah without associating partners. You should fulfill your 5 daily prayers. You should fast in the month of Ramadan. You should give charity from what Allah has given you. And you should go for the pilgrimage, the Hajj, if you are able and capable. And then he continued to mention other more important things in terms of how to uphold these pillars of Islam. Because it's not to my benefit to be a person who prays 5 times a day, but I'm losing the reward of the prayer because of something. Or I'm very charitable, but I'm losing it because of something. So he spoke about the main point being submission to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the peak being the sacrifice that you and I would make in order to fulfill the obligations to Allah.